Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to try and make homemade vanilla extract.
So these are the vanilla pods that I'm going to be using, and it cost me an arm and a leg. So now I know why vanilla extract is so expensive.
So we're going to need some vanilla beans and some vodka. And those are the only two ingredients that we're going to be needing to make the extract. So it's going to be super simple and easy and quick. So I shouldn't screw this up. We'll see.
All right, so now I'm just going to cut this in half, and then I'm going to split it open, and then we will start bottling it up.
All right, now that it's sliced up, we're going to just put the vanilla beans in the jar. And then we're going to put the alcohol right into the jar as well. And we want to make sure that the vodka is covering all of the vanilla beans. And then now we just wait between, I think 3 to 6 months, and then it should be ready to go. But I also had read that it's best to wait an entire year for the vanilla extract, because then that's when you're really going to get a lot of the flavor out of it. And I guess the best time to use it is a year after we infuse this. Okay, so that was super simple. Now we just wait and see how this turns out. So we just have to be very patient, and then we can start using it. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.